welcome back to my channel. Today I want to go over what I'm getting my kids for Christmas. So I have 4 children. I have a 10-year-old boy, an 8-year-old boy, a 6-year-old girl, and a 2.5-year-old boy. I will link the videos I did last year for Christmas down below in case you want to check those out too. Okay, for my oldest son, he's 10. So he wants some kind of a Lego kit. He was saying a plain one, but I haven't really looked yet to see what kinds are out there. So if there's a decent price one, we'll get that. But if they're like $200, we'll just skip that this year. Now he worked really hard and saved a bunch of money and bought his own first bike with gears and stuff. So he wants to have some bike accessories this year. So I was going to get him a bike repair kit. And then I found a little camo bag that zips on the front of the bicycle and the handlebars, and a water bottle holder that clips onto the bike too. He also wants new rollerblades because he outgrew his last pair. And for my 8-year-old son, he wants a Lego kit of some kind. He hasn't decided what kind yet. I'm going to get him a lock picking kit for beginners. I think he'll really like that a lot. He also wants an electric guitar. He's wanted it for 2 years straight, but I'm not sure if I'll get him that or not because I don't know that he'll have interest in it besides just making a bunch of noise in the garage for a couple days. So if I can find a really cheap one, probably. My daughter is 6 and she wants rollerblades. My oldest son had a pair that they're adjustable. So they have like 4 sizes I think you can do. So she wants one as well. She loves coloring, so I'm going to get her one of those art kits that, like those wood ones that fold up together. And I'll link everything below. I found one that has different kinds of markers and color pencils. I didn't want one with the paint because the watercolors in those aren't very good and we already have watercolors. So I just got all coloring things for her. She also wants nail polish, which she asks for every year. We always get it for her. But I only get the kid kind that just peels off in case there's a spill or something. So it's very easy to clean up. Now for my 2-year-old, I'm going to get him a remote control car. I got it from last year or the year before, but I think he may have dropped it in the bathtub. Anyway, it's broken. But he really liked it. I think he'll like having it again. He's really into monster trucks right now and all vehicles. So I was going to get one of those big ones. I think I really like one of those. And also little truck and trailer type things. He's really into putting things into cars and moving them around. Now for stockings, normally I just get a bunch of stuff from the dollar store. This year though, I don't want so much junk. Last year a lot of it didn't get used like I thought it would. So this year I'm going to get everybody a Pokemon stuffy, which will take up a big portion of the stocking. So less candy for them, which is good because my kids all have fructose malabsorption, which means they can't digest fructose very well, but that's like sugar. It's like in a lot of different things. So some sugar's okay, but I'd prefer not to have a giant stocking full of candy this year. I'm also getting them all those mini pocket microscopes so they can take it outside and look at different things around in their yard and stuff. They're all going to have a chocolate orange in the toe of the stocking. And then I found these really cool bike lights that go on the wheel. And so as you spin, it does different designs on it. I found 2. I'm not sure which one I'm going to get yet. But one, the faster you go, the more of a design shows. And the other one just cycles through a bunch of different designs. My husband likes to take the kids camping a lot, so I thought that might be nice to have at the campground so people can see them better. Yes, it's a smaller Christmas this year. Now, of course, they have aunts and my parents and other sort of grandparents. So they will get more presents than that, but I think that's a decent Christmas. Oh, and I'm going to get everybody a pack of socks and maybe underwear too. So that's not the most exciting gift, but it'll be good for them. All right, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.